Right guys, today I will show you on spreadsheet how to add up 2-3 cells in one cell. For example, if I'm collecting monies on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So on Monday I've collected £12.50p. On Tuesday I've collected £10.20, £4, £34, 3p, £34, 32, 23. Right? Just say I've done different collection on different days. I'm just pasting. Okay. Now if I have to total up this, just click on fill and auto sum, and press enter. It gives collection of every day at the bottom. Now all you need to do, if you want this formula to be everywhere, you don't have to keep clicking there, just drag that across. It gives you total. So when you click on the cell, this will give you understanding. If you click on it, this cell has added up from F7, which is F is there, 7 is there, so it's added up from there to F13 up till there. Yeah, so this automatically generates. Now if you want to add manually, that you want to add these three together, then if you click on auto sum, it's very clever, these computers, so they know which way you're trying to add up. So it will add up from E7, which is E there, 7 there, to G7, G is there and 7 is there. Just add it up that way. Now if you want to do it for every single day, then just scroll it down. So this has given total of how much money we have collected every day. Now if you want to add all that up together, just put auto sum, and this gives you grand total from H17 to H13 that way. And if I want to add this way up, it will give you the same value as well. So let's do it manually. I want to add these three. So basically you just type in equals sum and then bracket. You want it from E14, so if you click on it, it will automatically type up there to G14 and close your bracket. This should give you same amount as 606.2. There you go. So it just gives you accurate information of what we've done. That's it for now. Goodbye.